You can literally hack your sleep to stop heartburn and snoring just by changing your pillow height. No meds or gadgets required. Hospitals use this trick all the time, but hardly anyone does it at home. When you sleep flat, stomach acid can sneak up your esophagus, and your airway is more likely to collapse, making heartburn and snoring way worse. Elevating your head just a few inches actually uses gravity to keep acid down and airways open. Doctors recommend stacking an extra pillow or using a wedge pillow to get your head and upper chest slightly higher than your stomach. The best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or complicated routines, just adjust how you sleep tonight. People who try this report waking up less groggy, with fewer sore throats and way less nighttime coughing. It's a hospital secret that can totally upgrade your sleep at home. Most people have no idea how much difference a small angle can make.